from Dr. Shahnaz Naeem to my all brothers and sisters who are watching my lesson. Assalamu alaikum. I convey my regard. In our previous lesson, we learned the articulation point 4 and 5. In Arabic, we call it makhraj 4 and makhraj 5. Makhraj 4, the articulation point is to produce the alphabet Qaaf, which is visible on the screen, and the other alphabet which is pronounced or produced from makhraj 5 is Kaff. Today I have, as promised in my previous lecture, we will discuss first of all we will review the makharij 4th and 5th, and then we will learn their characteristics, different characteristics, how we should pronounce it, how we will pronounce when these both alphabets are with jazm, sukoon, in state of sukoon, and also in Qur'anic words and Qur'anic verse. First of all, we will review makhraj or articulation point 4. It is used to pronounce the alphabet Qaaf. It is situated. This Qaaf is produced when we raise our root of the tongue, the last portion of the tongue which is attached to the lower portion of our mouth. It is also called in Arabic aslul lisan. When we raise it upwards and it presses on soft palate where jula, lehad, qawwa or lisan-e-saghir, small tongue is hanging. When we press this portion of our soft palate, then we can produce the alphabet Qaaf. How? Qaaf. Then makhraj 5. From makhraj 5, we produce the letter Kaff with kashish, and it is produced when we raise our root of the tongue and press to the soft palate just ahead to our uvula, kawwa, lihad or small tongue. So the makhraj of Qaaf is just ahead to the uvula. When we press our root of the tongue to our soft palate just ahead of the uvula, we pronounce Qaaf. Now we will see one by one their characteristics. If we go on makhraj 4, Qaaf, and previously we see when we make the different portions of Qaaf, it consists of Qaaf, Alif and Fa. Between these alphabets, Alif Madda is present, so we lengthen the sound of Qaaf, and also Qaaf is pronounced as a thick word. We also call them Harufe Musta'aliyah, the thick words. And when we pronounce the alphabet, whenever we pronounce the word Qaaf with sukoon, it will be produced with the harakat of its previous alphabet. Like I have given you already example. Alif, Qaaf, Zabar, Ak. Alif, Qaaf, Zer, Ik. Alif, Qaaf, Pesh, Uk. Now, when we use it in Arabic words, we will produce like Ikra, Uktul, Razaqnahum. And now we will learn the characteristics of Qaaf. We have already learned when we make the portions of Qaaf, there is Kaff, then Alif, which is Alif Madda, and then Fa. So we lengthen its voice. When we produce Qaaf, we will produce like lengthening voice, but not with a thick voice as we pronounced Qaaf. We produce as Qaaf because this word is not in Harufe Musta'aliya. Now we will learn how it gives the voice when it is produced with, when it is pronounced with sukoon or jazm. It will again produced with the help of previous word with some harakat on it, zabar, zer or pesh. We will learn it like alif, kaaf, zabar, ak. You will see this is the characteristics of Qaaf. When it is produced with sukoon, the voice will be cut. It will not be lengthening. The voice will be stopped or cut like alif, kaaf, zer, ik. Alif, kaaf, pesh, uk. This is the special characteristics of the alphabet Qaaf. Now we will use it in some Arabic words like qablik, makrin, amsik. You will see that when there is jazm on Qaaf, it is pronounced with a closing voice. Amsik. Now we will see the use of Qaaf and Qaaf in Qur'anic verse. I selected the verse number 63 from Suratul Baqarati Madaniya. So I will recite and you will see how the word Qaaf and Qaaf is pronounced. وَإِذْ أَخَذْنَا مِيثَاقَكُمْ وَرَفَعْنَا فَوْقَكُمُ الطُّورَ خُذُوا مَا آتَيْنَاكُمْ بِقُوَّةٍ وَاذْكُرُوا ما فيه لعلكم يتقون. So you have seen and observed how we use the alphabet Qaaf with thick sound and also Kaff with normal sound. So the best learning is by doing. I request you people that you try to pronounce these two alphabets from their original articulation points, makhraj 4 and 5, and also whenever you try to recite Quran Pak and these words came, please try to pronounce them from their original articulation points. And you need a lot of practice to become master. If you like this lecture, please subscribe my channel, like it, comment it, share it with your family members and friends so that they can also be benefited. Please give permission to Dr. Shahnaz Naeem till next lesson. Thank you very much. Khuda Hafiz.